What's up everybody? Today we're at Flottsbro Bike Park and it's windy today, like very windy. Oh my god, it was so fun. Yo! Erik, jag är jättenära! Hello. Jag kommer inte hoppa här. Det blåser för mycket. Yeah, it's windy. Or freeride isn't so bad as I thought it would be. Oh shit. Local line. Ooh. That was local line number 1. There will be another one. And it is right here. Oh shit, what's up, man? Oh nej, min fot. Oh, my foot was not sitting good on my pedal. Whoa, I was a bit close to that tree. I wanna catch up to Vishal. I wanna come like really close. Vishal! Whoa! It's still pretty windy, but we'll see how it goes. Skogen. Yeah, that was bad. Oh, you can go now. You can. You can go.
Can I go right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, me and Mats gonna do a local line in the enduro. It's very fun. It's like kind of a enduro slash downhill trail. Whoa, holy case. It's so narrow here, man. This is so narrow. Right here. Mats, you coming? Ooh, ooh. Yeah. The beginning is pretty weird, but then it gets fun. Whoa. Yo, my lines are not the best. Now this is just like straight. Yo, wait. Mats! Alright, we found like trail right there, and we will try it. Not today because they're closing in 5 minutes, and we want to take the lift up to the parking lot so we don't have to go. Oh, that's flat. I can talk, man. This part is fun. Oh yeah, man. That's sick. Oh. Jump. Oh. And it's windy down here. And where is Mats?
Holy tramps.